Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the currency in the Shein app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Shein app. Here it opens up like this in the shop menu. Then we have to tap on the Me menu. Then in the top right corner on the cog icon. And then on currency. Here we have a few options to choose from. We can select euros, USDs, HOOF, and RON, and other currencies as well. And yeah, let's select euros. And if you go back, you can see here in the shopping menu that the prices are in euros. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.